The best $10 sign-up bonus instant withdrawal. Leveraging sign-up bonuses won't make you rich or let you quit your job. But they're a very simple way to make money online, and every little bit counts. I'm also going to keep this list of free $10 sign-up bonuses with instant withdrawals as current as possible, to help you earn as much as possible. But always read offer terms and conditions so you have the most current information. 1. Fundrise. Out of all the $10 sign-up bonus offers out there, Fundrise is probably one of my favorites. That's because this real estate crowdfunding platform lets you invest in income-generating real estate, starting with only $10. As a Fundrise shareholder, you get to invest in real estate property like apartment buildings, condos, and multifamily homes. And to get your $10 sign-up bonus, all you have to do is open a brand new account and invest at least $10. This is an excellent way to jumpstart your portfolio and to begin investing for income. And I like that Fundrise is so beginner-friendly at just $10. Fundrise charges 1% in annual fees, which is a bit low for the crowdfunding world. Overall, it's an excellent way to create passive income and add real estate to your portfolio. 2. My points. If you're a fan of shopping on Amazon, the $10 sign-up bonus from My Points is definitely for you. My Points is a popular get-paid-to website that lets you make money by answering surveys, shopping online, watching ads, and completing various sponsored offers. This is a nice cashback offer that's easy to complete. And My Points' other earning methods are also reliable, so you can redeem future gift cards or PayPal, cash, down the line as well. 3. Rakuten. Rakuten is a popular cashback shopping extension that pays you for shopping at thousands of different retailers. It's also an extension I've personally used for years and have earned over $1,000 in cash back. If you want to get paid to shop, nothing beats Rakuten in my opinion. It lets you earn cash back from so many popular brands, including the likes of Best Buy, Macy's, Lowe's, Target, Walmart, and thousands more. Plus, Rakuten normally has a $10 sign-up bonus that pays you for joining the platform and spending at least $10 on a qualifying shopping offer. But right now, Rakuten is actually paying new users $30 for signing up and spending at least $30, so you can triple the original sign-up bonus. To save money on future shopping trips and to snag a quick $30, Rakuten is a no-brainer. And it pays you quarterly through check or PayPal, so you're earning real cash back.